What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars, and welcome back to Dollasmenu. Today we're doing a betta fish aquarium. I know y'all are like, Raina, what? You like fish too? I do. So I'm getting y'all started. This is like a starter kit basically. If you want to get started with fish or owning aquariums, I started with a 1.4 gallon aquarium that I bought from Petco, and I'm just gonna open it up and read the instructions and start setup. So same thing, I'm still using quarantine and everything going on to still just find ways to enjoy myself. And honestly, you don't see a lot of black people in this type of arena with fish, but there's a big market, there's a big world out there in pertaining to fish and aquariums alone, so y'all should really check it out. It's quite fascinating. And my statement probably isn't true. I'm sure there are a lot of black fish owners, and if you are one, comment down below right now, because I know plenty of people who grew up with fish, but this is new for me. My mom wasn't into pets, so here we go. We dropped some black substrate in that I already had, and this is a good thing about betta aquariums, they're pretty cheap. So I got a little decoration. I think that little flower ball cost me all of $4 for the marbles coming out right now, and I wanted to have a more modern type of feel. I don't know, we love bamboo plants, so that's just the aesthetic. I'm kind of trying to put it beneath because I do want the plant to be in the substrate in order to stay healthy. With bamboo, the leaves are actually supposed to stay out of the water, so it doesn't have to be fully submerged. And I want to apologize now that my camera is crooked, but y'all get the picture. So I'm just filling it up with some water now. This is water straight from the sink, just tap water. And I'm kind of filtering it through that piece, because sometimes when you pour water into tanks, you'll just fluff all the substrate around. And I'm going to get a little bit of that, but this helps to alleviate that. Some people create little strainers to pour their water in, but it's not that deep. So now we got it a little set up. We're gonna just add a little more decorations. I want to fill it pretty much to the top, and I want you guys to comment below any hobbies. If you're feeling this, get you a little companion. I'm becoming really fond of animals. So these right here are called small marimo balls. They're a type of moss, but they just bounce around. They're so cute, and they usually come in a pack of 3. I think these were like $7. Like I said, I'll link it below, but they're just so adorable and they pair well with betta fish. And excuse me if I'm butchering names, but now I'm gonna add another little buddy. This right here is a nitrite snail. So snails are just super cute. They clean glass. They're just cute, and they do pair well. Same thing with betta fish. Anything like this, you research, you ask the person in the store. But this is a good way, like I said, to get started with getting into different types of snail, different types of fish, and all that. This setup does require batteries, so I just had to grab some and pop them on. So here you see me, I put it back together, and this is a good thing because you can take the light off and deal with the light without having to take the whole aquarium off. So shout out to that design, but it comes with 3 different settings and different light colors. So you can set it for 4 hours, 2 hours, or an all day type of thing, but it is set on its own timer, so that's pretty cool. They don't necessarily need light with betta fish, so that's the cool thing about them too. And now we finally meet my fish, Rose. So he is a semi-green, semi-blue rose petal male. I think that's why I went with the little pink flower thing. I was just trying to find stuff to complement his pretty scales and his pretty fins. They almost have like a pinkish hue to them in the dark or like in person. So yeah, we just gonna toss him in there. And that's the thing about fish, y'all. I think the reason why I'm becoming so fond of animals right now is because they have a form of companionship. And what's funny is, if you don't know, they have personalities too. And it's just so hilarious sometimes seeing them. So it looks like Rosé's liking his light, alright. But a few minutes later, I gave him some food. He wasn't really trying to eat. He was laying down because I don't know if he was feeling the bright lights, but he liked like the blues and stuff. So yeah, and there's the snail right in the cut. They do move around, so you'll be sitting there and you'll find the snail on the top of the bamboo plant. Then I'll find him halfway out the water in the corner. So yeah, it's just an interesting thing, just something that I'm doing right now. I think this is a cheap and easy way to start off for your first betta aquarium and get you into the hobby, because it is a really satisfying and cool hobby. And I always like to try new things, so yeah. And look at Rosé, he was doing like a little strut for y'all. He's showing y'all his whole little fins. We do have 2 other betta tanks. That's what's crazy. This is a king betta. He's huge. This little tank right here was only $9 and it came with everything. And this right here was actually gifted to me, but the fish we bought and 2 more snails in there as well. So just thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all got going on. And would you get a betta aquarium? Let me know now.